Right, progress. Where's it gone? And there she blows. Yebo! Right, just gotta tighten that bolt up there on the inside and that bolt there on the other side. And there she is. Stock and barrel. Now I'll put the tyres on and I'll show you the other side. Yeah, it was a bit of a bugger to bloody get into place, but yep, she's on and she's looking good. I'll show you. I just got a bloody tighten that one up. It's where is it? There. So I gotta tighten that one up on that side, tighten that one up over there. Where the hell is it? There, yeah. And that's what she looks like on that side. So nearly there. Yep. Let's see when I put the tyres on, and that'll be it. Take it off my temporary blocks. New hubs, axles, new hub, axle and springs, and new bolts and nuts and bolts and whatever. She's ready to go. It's the old bugger there. Yeah, the reason why I did it is because look at all that. The bloody hubs, the old hubs were honed out on the inside. So the bloody grease kept on leaking, but yep. One more, once I put the tyres on and she's done. That's the whole busy.